Thank you for participating in the RaspberryFX beta testing program. Interchange fees, processing fees, monthly maintenance fees, chargeback fees, hardware rental fees, and so forth are significant setbacks for small and medium-sized businesses. The RaspberryFX scan and pay features, alongside transaction activity mode, enables merchants to receive payments in real time while saving on card transaction fees. Customer simply scans the merchant-displayed QR code, enters an amount, enter a 4-digit PIN, and payment is settled instantly. The in-app audio assist provides instant notification when payment is successfully received. Merchants also have the ability to offer instant cashback reward as a customer retention strategy directly from their app. In transaction activity mode, only the transaction activities are displayed. This is a great way to securely monitor all incoming payments without providing full access to your app. Please visit the beta section of our website to see more how-to videos. Thank you.